Hi guys, in this video we talk about the iPhone 15 Pro Max versus Realme GT5 Pro. The iPhone 15 Pro Max launched on September 2023 with the price tag of $1,199 and the Realme GT5 Pro launched on December 2023 with the price tag of $600. The weight iPhone 15 Pro Max have 220 grams and the Realme GT5 Pro 224 grams. The build, the iPhone 15 Pro Max front and back glass and titanium frame and the Realme GT5 Pro front and back glass and aluminium frame. The both mobile come with
display.
The display, the iPhone 15 Pro Max LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED 16M color display and the Realme GT5 Pro AMOLED 1 billion colors. The screen size is similar and the resolution of iPhone 15 Pro Max 1290 by 2796 pixels and the Realme GT5 Pro 1264 by 2780 pixels. The resolution of these devices, the PPI density is 460 and the Realme GT5 Pro 450. The refresh rate, iPhone 15 Pro Max have 120Hz refresh rate and the Realme GT5 Pro have 144Hz refresh rate.
Camera
And the screen to body ratio, the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Realme GT5 Pro mostly same. And the protection, the iPhone 15 Pro Max have ceramic shield glass and the Realme GT5 Pro have Gorilla Glass. And the 2000 nits peak brightness of iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Realme GT have 4500 nits peak display brightness. Let's talk about the camera of these devices. The iPhone 15 Pro Max have triple camera setup with a main sensor of 48 megapixel wide and 12 megapixel ultra wide and 12 megapixel telephoto periscope and a TOF 3D ladder sensor, and it's also record 4K 60 fps video. And the Realme GT5 Pro also have triple camera setup with the main sensor of 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide and the 50 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's also record the 4K 60 fps video. The front camera of this device, the iPhone 15 Pro Max have 12 megapixel and the SL 3D sensor, and Realme GT5 Pro have 32 megapixels selfie camera. The platform, the iPhone 15 Pro Max have hexacore CPU with Cortex
platform
and the Realme GT5 Pro have octa-core processor with Cortex X4. iPhone 15 Pro Max have Apple A17 Pro 3nm chipset and the Realme GT5 Pro have Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm processor. And the GPU of these devices, the Apple 15 Pro Max have Apple GPU with 6 core and the Realme GT5 Pro and Reno 750. The operating system of iPhone 15 Pro Max is iOS 17 and the Realme GT5 Pro Android 14. And the memory of these mobiles, iPhone 15 Pro Max 8GB of RAM and the Realme GT5 Pro 12GB and 16GB RAM, and also
battery
have 1 TB storage, and it's not available micro SD card. The battery, the iPhone 15 Pro Max have 4441 mAh battery and the Realme GT5 Pro 5400 mAh battery. And the fast charging of this mobile, iPhone 15 Pro Max have 33 watt fast charging and the Realme GT5 Pro have 100 watt
comms
fast
and
charging.
features.
The wireless charging, iPhone 15 Pro Max have 15 watt wireless charging and the Realme GT5 Pro have 50 watt wireless charging, and it's also come with 5G network. Let's talk about the result of these devices. iPhone 15 Pro Max got 19 points and the Realme GT5 Pro got 23 points.